Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about on how you can move objects in FreeCAD. So let's jump straight into it. Now I have this object right here that I want to go ahead and move onto my plane. Now that's going to be extremely simple. Generally, you just want to look for the model options right here. If you cannot go ahead and find it, you want to navigate through something like Windows and then just make sure that the model is showing up. Now we have our file. You have your body, which is going to be the shape that we are going to be moving. So you could just simply right click on it and then you want to click on transform. You will then get this tools right here that allows you to move the object up, move the object left and right, and move the object up and down. And so that's how simple it is. You could also go ahead and rotate this the way you want to, depending on your preference. So you could just feel free to use the tools right here or the controls in order to go ahead and move your object freely. Right after, click OK, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.